Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve banned account on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.